Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease and how it works. The term prion is defined as proteinaceous infectious particle. Prions can be formed due to mutation, spontaneous misfolding, or exposure to pre-misfolded proteins. Here's a group of properly folded proteins. These are what they normally look like. When a prion protein is introduced, it causes a chain reaction which causes all the proteins to misfold. Think of this like the domino effect. When one is knocked over, it knocks over all of them. Now let's enter into the brain. When properly folded proteins interact with neurons, they connect brain cells, allowing for the signals to be sent throughout the body. When the prion protein is introduced, the signal cannot send properly due to apoptosis, which I'll go more in depth later. Now let's zoom even further in. Here in a healthy brain, synapses act as a bridge which allows signals to transmit information across to the brain for communication. The misfolded protein causes the synapses to malfunction, causing communication to break down between the cells. This leads to cognitive and motor malfunctions inside the brain. When the misfolded protein interacts with the neuron, this triggers an inflammatory response. Microglia, which is the immune cell of the central nervous system, becomes activated. Microglia releases cytokines, which are signaling molecules, and they help in the immune response. However, the inflammation disrupts cell signaling, causing damage within the brain. Now back to apoptosis. The misfolded protein triggers a programmed death to the cell. The cell recognizes the misfolded protein as a threat, and to prevent severe damage, the cell enters self-destruct mode. This helps prevent further damage of the surrounding cells, which could later lead to cancer. Now, here's a side-by-side comparison of a healthy brain and a brain which has Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. On the left is a healthy cell, and on the right is a damaged cell from apoptosis. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease causes many symptoms in the body, such as memory loss, miscoordination, imbalance, blurred vision, and many more. All these symptoms are due to the missignaling of neurons in the brain due to the prion proteins. There is currently no cure for Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, however, doctors give treatment to help relieve symptoms. Prion infection can cause holes to develop inside the brain, becoming sponge-like. The damage to the brain can cause mental and physical impairment and lead to death. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.